Hi, friends, and welcome to this podcast by Angel Broking. Today, we are learning about yet another cool candlestick pattern. Do you want to know which one? Of course. But before that, let's get into a story. Sarah had started trading only a couple of months back. She began by diversifying and investing in three securities. While two performed well, the third one did not. Its price, for some reason, kept sprawling downwards for 4 straight days. On the fifth day, Sarah saw a good upward movement and decided not to exit. But then, the price continued to fall downwards. Sarah was not in trouble because she had already safeguarded herself by investing in some other growth stocks. While some say that you should find a profession where your passion takes you, that is not a very good idea in the case of stocks. Sarah stuck with her investment because she did not want to admit that the loss had happened and she should back off. If only there was a candlestick pattern to help you exactly what Sarah wanted to do, to predict if the prices will actually break the direction. Guess what? Today is your lucky day. The candlestick pattern that we're going to talk about does exactly that. It's called the breakaway pattern. Now, the terminology might seem simple. Breakaway pattern simply indicates as to whether a security will break away from the existing downtrend or uptrend. Reasoning is the same. Directions can be different. You understand that by now, don't you? That's why there are two types of breakaway patterns. These are called bullish breakaway and bearish breakaway. And as you might have already guessed, the bullish breakaway pattern tells you if a security's price will reverse in direction after a downtrend. Pretty cool, right? Let's go. Let's look at the finer details. Keep in mind that we're talking about a bullish breakaway pattern, which means, that's right, the bullish breakaway happens after a downtrend. Now, it consists of 5 bars. The first one is the one which indicates a bearish sentiment of the market. Therefore, the first candle is a long black one. This is where the interesting part begins. Listen very carefully. After the first candle, the bullish breakaway pattern consists of 3 small black candles, indicating a conflicting sentiment at play. This is followed by a down gap between the first candle. Now, this simply means that you can spot a gap between the low of the first long bearish candle and the high of the second candle. So far, so good? With me? Awesome. This indicates a strong bearish sentiment and that there is an extraordinary interest in selling rather than buying. Gaps are studied within the domain of what's called gap analysis. But that's for another time. Let's come back to our topic of breakaway patterns. So, the middle 3 candles indicate an ongoing bearish sentiment, but also that the bulls are already fighting back. The last candle, which is finally a long bullish one, should push past the highs of the last 3 candles in order to complete a bullish breakaway pattern. With me so far? Pretty cool, right? So, what does this mean? Does it mean that you can expect a reversal the next day? Experienced investors generally wait for the 6th day in order to infer the signal as a confirmation of a successful reversal, because bullish breakaway patterns are generally associated with almost 60% accuracy. So this was all about bullish breakaway pattern. The bearish breakaway pattern is exactly the opposite. Let's see how. First, the bearish breakaway occurs during an uptrend, and this is confirmed by the first candle, which is usually a long bullish one. Got it? This is followed by an up gap, meaning that you can spot a gap between the high of the first candle and the low of the second candle. Following the gap, you can see 3 small bullish candles, which indicates an ongoing bullish sentiment. However, the security is already facing resistance and the bears are fighting back. This can be seen in the 5th candle, which pulls the prices to below the opening of the second candle. These bearish breakaways statistically perform slightly better than the bullish breakaway, although only marginally by about 3%. So now you know what these bearish and bullish breakaway patterns are. So what's next? Next, we will look at some points for you to remember in this context. Number 1, when you look at the bottom of downtrends, you can often spot a lot of bullish breakaway patterns. This means that not all bullish breakaway patterns actually manage to break through the support or resistance. Therefore, you should always take the breakaway pattern with a grain of salt. Number 2, if the ups and downs confuse you and if you are new to candlesticks, here is a simple way of remembering the breakaway patterns. Listen very carefully, the entire thing in a gist. Both bullish and bearish breakaway patterns consist of first 4 candles of the same color. The first one is long, followed by a gap between the first and the second candle, followed by a long 5th candle of the opposite color. This one seems pretty simple as a definition, right? Awesome. That's why you should take note of this sentence and listen to it again if you want to. But again, as a word of caution and as your friend on this investment journey through your knowledge, trading solely on the basis of patterns is not a very good idea. This is because patterns are not always correct in predicting the outcome of a specific market situation. What are your friends? You know that already. Technical and fundamental analysis are not only your friends, they are your best friends. So get closer with them, alright? These patterns can, however, alert you to significant events. But then you should always investigate further before jumping the ship. With that, it's time for me to jump the ship, and that's all I have for you on today's podcast. I will be back again with a new topic and a new podcast. But until then, you should continue your learning journey. Learn more about stocks, the market, or about investing. And all you have to do is log on to www.angelbroking.com for that. Until we meet again, I wish you all the luck on your learning on angelbroking.com.